Hey everyone, welcome back to Shona Kid. Like and subscribe to the channel before we began. In a quaint village nestled between lush valleys and towering mountains, the annual Harvest Festival was eagerly anticipated by all. It was a time of gratitude and community, a chance to thank Allah for the bounty bestowed upon them. The villagers, predominantly Sunni Muslims, initiated the festival with the Fajr prayer, gathering at the mosque at dawn. Their voices united in supplication and thanksgiving. It was a serene start, setting a tone of harmony and reflection for the day. As the sun climbed higher in the sky, families gathered in the village square, their homes left open with the aromatic scent of freshly baked bread wafting through the air. Colorful stalls lined the streets, laden with fresh fruits and golden grains gleaming in the sunlight. The elders, wise with years and tradition, took seats in the shade, sharing stories of festivals past with the youth. Zainab, a young girl with a spirited heart, was particularly excited this year. She had spent weeks planning a special performance that recounted the story of Prophet Yusuf, peace be upon him, and his journey through hardship to triumph, a story her grandmother often told her. As Zainab took to the small stage decorated with modest Persian rugs, the villagers gathered around. Her voice carried with it the weight of lessons learned, patience and trust in Allah's divine plan. At the climax of her storytelling, she reminded all of Prophet Yusuf's grace and perseverance during times of trial, drawing parallels to their harvest, delayed rains, and resilient crops. After her performance, the villagers broke their fast together as the sun dipped below the horizon. The adhan echoed through the valley, a call to prayer that reminded everyone of their shared faith and purpose. With the festival winding down, the villagers joined in the Isha prayer, thanking Allah for their provisions and the strength gifted to them every day. As the night sky glistened, laughter and discussions about the next harvest began to arise. The festival ended with hearts filled with contentment and hope for the coming seasons. Each villager left with a piece of wisdom to carry in their daily lives. The moral of the festival's tale was clear. Through unity, gratitude, and faith, communities can prosper, finding joy and meaning in both their struggles and successes.